Andrew here. Good morning. Video 1. I am repairing the wheels on this Cadillac ATS. It's got all this curb rash right along here. We're going to do these wheels. An ATS, Cadillac, all-wheel drive. Nice car. We're also going to fix this one and the passenger front. 3 wheels we're going to repair. Video 1. Curb rash, before and after. Andrew here, Dr.Detail.com. Nice car, nice car. Lease return. This is a lease return Cadillac. Andrew here, Dr. Detail. We are going to refinish this wheel. Polish, clean, cure the curb rash issue. Andrew, Dr. Detail. This is video 2. We're doing it before, and then we'll do an after. We have 3 wheels off this Cadillac ATS. Going back, it's a lease return. Lease return. We're going to cure the curb rash and polishing issue on this wheel so the customer doesn't pay a lot of money, and we'll help them out good. Andrew, Dr.Detail.com. Andrew here, video 3. We just finished the wheels, all the curb rash on this Cadillac Lease return. ATS, nice car. We did the wheel, they look good. 3 wheels. Andrew, Dr. Detail, Inc.com, wheel specialist. Curb rash, welding, cracked wheels. Andrew, Dr. Detail. Looks good.